Hello boys, once again welcome back to your maths online class. So you all have done your work well and you all have now written your numbers also. So now we have learnt our numbers from 1001 to 1400. So now today we are going to learn our numbers from 1401 to 1500. I hope that is not much for you every day because I am only giving you 100 numbers every day. So, I know for you it is just 5 to 10 minutes work. You all write your numbers very fast, isn't it? Now you all are big boys also. So, you all can write 100 numbers, isn't it? So, do your work neatly and nicely. Alright? So, let's begin now. So, along with ma'am, you will say the numbers and you will write with ma'am. So, let's start. 1401, 1402, 1403, 1404, 1405, 1406, 1407, 1408. So you all are saying along with ma'am. 1409. And what comes after 9? 1410. 1411. 1412. 1413. 1414. 1415, 1416, 1417, 1418, 1419. And what comes after 19? 1420. So 1421, 1422, 1423, 1424, 1425, 1426, 1427, 1428, 1429, 1400 and what comes after 29? 30. Boys, make sure that your pencil is well sharpened and that you leave a box after every number. Alright? 1431, 1432, 1433, 1434, 1435, 1436, 1437. I hope you all are saying and writing and do your work neatly. 1438, 1439, 1440. So do your work nicely and neatly. 1441, 1442, 1443, 1444, 1445, 1446, 1447, 1448, 1449, 1450. So boys, I hope you all are writing neatly. 1450, 1451. Sorry, after 1450 comes 1451, 1452, 1453, 1454, 1455, 1456. Alright boys, 1457, 1458, 1459, 1460. Now comes 1461, 1462, 1463, 1464, 1465, 1466, 1467, 1468, 1469, 1400 and what comes after 69 boys? 70. Alright. 1471, 1472, 1473, 1474, 1475, 1476, 1477, 1478, 1479, 1479. What comes after 79? Alright, 80. Okay, then comes 1481. So are you all doing your work neatly? Yes, okay. 1482, 1483, 1484, 1485, 1486, 1487. Then comes 1488, 1489, 1490, 1491, 1492, 1493, 1494, 1495, 1496, 1497, 1498, 1499, and what comes after 499? 1500. Alright boys, do your work neatly and do your work yourself. Don't ask your mummies to do your work, and stay healthy, be safe. Bye boys.